This is Noah with Save Green here, and today we're going to show you another way that you can save on your data plan. Now, we recently did a video on how to save on your data plan with regards to Google Maps. This is for those that are using navigation pretty much all the time. But today we're going to show you how you can save on your data plan with regards to your apps. So you have your phone loaded with applications, and they are constantly being updated throughout the day, throughout the entire week, etc. This updating can take place at any time, whether you're on Wi-Fi or not, whether you're using your phone's data plan or not. So what you want to do is you want to go into your settings to change that. This is, again, if you don't mind those apps updating over Wi-Fi only. It's going to save you on your data plan, so it makes sense. So what you do is you press the three lines on the top left, press it down like this. You're going to go down to settings. So you're going to see the settings down at the bottom. Press that. And then once you're in your settings page, the second line from the top, or the second item where you see auto update apps, and you see how I have it selected to auto update apps over Wi-Fi only. So I'm going to press that so I can show you. Once I press it, I have three options. First option is do not auto update apps. You don't want that. You want your apps to update. Second is to update apps at any time. And it even tells you there data charges may apply. Duh. So I selected the third option, auto update apps over Wi-Fi only. And what this does is your apps will only update when you're in your Wi-Fi area, whether you're at home, whether you're at work, etc. But the key here is you don't want to go blowing through your data plan just because apps have to update all the time. If you have a lot of apps on your phone, you're going to have a lot of updating occurring all the time. It is best to do that when you're near Wi-Fi. So hope this was helpful to you. Again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Please, if you have any comments, post them at the bottom of this video description. And if you have any questions, post them down there as well, and I will be more than happy to help with any questions or concerns. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We also have a Twitter page which you can follow us there as well. Thank you very much. Have a great day.